In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find sent emails on Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly where your sent messages live and how to quickly get to them. Even if you manage more than one email account in Outlook, start by opening Outlook. On the left side of the window, you'll see the folder pane, which is the column that lists your mail folders. This is your home base for navigating your mailbox. If that left pane looks narrow or collapsed, move your pointer to the edge and drag it wider. Or simply hover until the folder list slides out. The exact appearance can vary slightly depending on your Outlook version, but the idea is the same. The folder pane sits on the left and holds all your mail folders. Next, look for your email account name in that pane. You'll notice a small arrow next to it. That arrow is there to expand or collapse the folder list for that account. If the arrow is pointing to the right, the folders are currently hidden. Click it once to reveal them. If the arrow is already pointing down, the folders are expanded and you are good to go. Keep in mind that if you have multiple accounts added to Outlook, you'll see an arrow and folder set for each one. Each account maintains its own sent items, so be sure you are expanding the correct account for the messages you are looking for. Now, find and select the sent items folder within that expanded list. Click it to load your sent messages in the main reading area. Outlook will display the emails you've sent, typically sorted by date with the most recent at the top. Give it a moment if you've just opened Outlook or if you are on a slower connection, as the folder may take a second to sync. If you don't immediately see a message you expect, double-check that you are in the right account's sent items and that you haven't applied any filters or custom views that might hide older messages. The list view can be adjusted to show more columns or a different sort order, which can help you scan more efficiently. If your organization uses multiple profiles or shared mailboxes, remember that each one has its own sent items, so switch to the relevant accounts folder when you need to review messages sent from there. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.